Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 3, the daffodils. SLOs of this lesson are: use few indefinite pronouns. Students, we have learned the concepts of indefinite pronouns in your previous class too, so I hope you are familiar with it. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We don't take any specific name or indicates to anybody specifically. We use pronouns ending in body or one for people and pronouns ending thing for things. Let me show you some examples. Here we have, for the people, the indefinite pronouns are these: anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, someone, somebody. So these are the indefinite pronouns which can only be used for people. As you can see, we are not referring to anybody specifically, not taking anyone's name here. It is like general to the group of people. It can be anybody, but in this it is not specified. And for places, we use these indefinite pronouns: anywhere, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere. And for things, these are the indefinite pronouns: anything, everything, nothing, something. The examples are: I have eaten everything in my fridge. The everything is here the indefinite pronouns of things. I have nothing for breakfast here. Look, you can also see the expression of her. I have nothing. Nothing is again the indefinite pronoun. Now this one, I need to find something. Anything would be okay. So we have 4 indefinite pronoun here. Let me give you some example from places and people too. Everyone in the room is silent. The example of somewhere here: she went somewhere. So this person doesn't know here that where she went. She went somewhere. The place is not specified here, and again here everyone, like it indicates to everyone, not specified person here. तो हमारे indefinite pronouns 3 किस्म के होते हैं: people, places और things, जिसमें हम किसी का भी या किसी चीज का भी या किसी जगह का भी नाम लिए बगैर जनरली उसको रेफर करते हैं. उसमें कोई भी आ सकता है. तो ये 3 कैटेगरीज हैं indefinite pronouns की. इसकी एग्जाम्पल्स भी हमने देखी. This is your exercise on page number 37. Choose the correct indefinite pronoun for each of the following sentences. The first one: the Turkish manager hasn't got to say about the team's terrible performance. The team's performance was terrible in this sentence. So Turkish manager hasn't. The contraction is used here, the short form here. उसके पास कुछ नहीं था बोलने को. So which is the correct answer here? Everything, nothing, somebody or anything. Somebody is for people. Hasn't got anything. Everything, no, he hasn't got anything. The Turkish manager hasn't got anything. Yes, this is the right answer here. Anything. Nothing भी incorrect होगा क्योंकि वो grammatically उस पर ठीक नहीं आता. If you like pronounce it, the Turkish manager hasn't got nothing. Hasn't का तो लफ्ज यूज हुआ है पहले, तो हम इसमें hasn't got anything, कुछ भी उसके पास कहने के लिए नहीं है. The second one: we have got new to play our matches. It is a big park near the town center. We have got what? New to play our matches. उनको कुछ मिल गया है. तो मैचेस कहाँ पर खेले जाते हैं? पार्क में या प्लेग्राउंड में. तो क्या है? एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पर प्लेस के बारे में बात हो रही है. नथिंग तो गलत हो गई है. दिस इज अबाउट द थिंग, द समबडी इज अबाउट द पीपल. एनीवेयर और समवेयर में से कौन सा हो सकता है? अब उसको आपने खुद ही जो है प्रोनाउंस करके देखना है पूरे सेंटेंस को. वी हैव गॉट एनीवेयर न्यू टू प्ले और मैचेस. नो, समवेयर, कहीं भी नहीं, ऐसी जगह हमें मिल गई है, कोई ऐसी जगह हमें मिल गई जहां पर हम अपने मैचेस खेल सकते. सो समवेयर इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. लुक एट द थर्ड वन हियर. Happened to Liverpool last season, they played really bad. कुछ लिवरपूल के साथ लास्ट सीजन में कुछ हुआ, उन्होंने बहुत बुरा खेला. लिवरपूल इज अ टीम, इज अ फुटबॉल टीम. सो somebody know, everyone knows, someone is know. These are about people. Yes, something happened to Liverpool. This is the right answer here. The fourth one, I couldn't find a post office. Everyone, somewhere, somebody or anywhere. Everyone is about the people. Somebody is also about the people. So you have to pronounce both these and choose the suitable indefinite pronoun here. I couldn't find a post office. कहीं भी मुझे नहीं मिला. I couldn't find a post office. कहीं भी मुझे post office नहीं मिला. I couldn't find a post office anywhere. Yes, this is the right option here. Suitability को देखना है आपने खुद. हर ऑप्शन को उसके सेंटेंस के साथ सेट करके बोलना है, ताकि बोलने में भी आपको पता चले कि ये ठीक लग रहा है कि नहीं. द फिफ्थ वन, कैन यू आंसर द फोन? क्या तुम फोन को आंसर कर सकते हो? इज कॉलिंग. एवरीबडी इज कॉलिंग. नो, हाउ कैन एवरीबडी इज कॉलिंग? एट वन टाइम one call can be connected. Nobody know there is someone calling, that's why the phone is ringing. No one, this is the incorrect. Yes, someone is calling here, the right option. Now the sixth one, did you win important last year? क्या तुमने last year कुछ important जीता? Nobody is about the people here, this is the wrong. Anywhere is about the place. Anything or nothing में से कौन? Did you win anything important last year or did you win nothing? This sentence is in interrogative form, in the question form. So, did you win nothing? No, he's asking, how can he be sure that the person he's asking win nothing? So, anything is the right option here. Anything इसके लिए बिल्कुल suitable होगा, क्योंकि वो पहले से अंदाजा पहले से नहीं बोल सकता कि तुमने कुछ नहीं जीता. ही इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन कि आपने कुछ जीता लास्ट ईयर, इंपॉर्टेंट, एनीथिंग, कुछ जीता. द सेवेंथ वन, एज सून एज आई वॉक्ड इन आई नोटिस दैट वाज मिसिंग. एनीवन इज मिसिंग? नो, नोवेयर इज मिसिंग इज अबाउट प्लेस. दिस इज टोटली इनअप्रोप्रिएट. एनीबडी इज मिसिंग और समथिंग इज मिसिंग. यस, द समथिंग इज मिसिंग. The eighth one, they had difficulties finding to live. Live जो है, अब आप किसी जगह पर रहेंगे ना, रहने के लिए कोई जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं, उनको मुश्किल हो रही है ढूंढने में. Nobody is the incorrect. Everybody is incorrect. It is about people, somewhere or anywhere. They had difficulties finding somewhere to live. कोई जगह ढूंढ रहे हैं रहने के लिए और उनको मुश्किल हो रही है. Somewhere is the right option here. I want you to choose the correct option for these remaining sentences by yourself. This is your homework. Underline the indefinite pronoun or pronouns in the following sentences. Everybody enjoys a good movie. There is a situation in which everybody enjoys a good movie. So, this is about that, the 5 sentences here. You have to identify the indefinite pronouns in these 6 sentences here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is here, the indefinite pronoun, everybody. You have to identify the indefinite pronouns in these 6 sentences. I hope you will do it and enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.